Hi everyone, so this is Tanya from Teen Fitness, soon to be Elite Pilates Services. We are rebranding soon. Woo! So I have Amanda here who would like to share her story with us about her Pilates and yoga classes. So welcome Amanda, and thank you for doing this for us.
Thank you.
So you, why did you come and try the Pilates and yoga here?
Okay, so I went to a Pilates class somewhere else, and I didn't feel very comfortable with the teacher. They asked me to do something which I know I'm not capable of doing, and so I walked out and left. Yeah, I just didn't feel comfortable. I didn't feel that they knew enough about what I was, what I was trying to achieve and what I was doing and what my body was capable of.
Okay, and why, so did you find us on Facebook? Was it Facebook?
No, somebody drove past here, so I lived just down the road. Someone drove past and told me there was a Pilates studio just up the road from where I was living at the time. So I walked up.
And you still do, don't you?
Yes.
So, and you were actually only going to join us for a month.
For 1 month. I was going to be living here for 1 month. So I came for 1 month and it's been nearly 2.5 years.
We turn them all into addicts. So what, did you have any reservations about coming to the studio or coming on as a member?
I came and did one class, and during that class I realised that actually, this was the class for me. I felt comfortable, I felt that you knew my body, you knew what I could and couldn't do, and I just felt very secure. So once I felt that I was comfortable with you knowing what my body was like, I then felt cool. It was amazing, so yeah.
Fantastic. So, we've spoke about this one. You can share it if you want to. So what is the one best result you've had so far?
Okay, so once a month I go for a massage, and the lady that does my massage said to me that my bottom had lifted and it was much firmer. And so for her to notice, I thought that was a really good thing.
Good. We all like
a little bit embarrassing, but
thank you for sharing it.
That's okay.
Brilliant. And is there anything else you would like to add?
I just love the sense of fun. It's a nice, safe, secure place to come. There's always coffee and warm chats, and it's a great place to come and work out.
Thank you very much for your time, Amanda. So that was Amanda, who is one of our clients, and hopefully that's giving you a little bit of insight as to what we do at the studio and how we can help you. If you would like to know more, then just get hold of us and we'll book you in for a free taster class. Bye!